This is my gluten-free mock brisket. Of course, I'm getting started with King Oyster Mushrooms. It's seasoned, sauteed with a variety of spices, and I shred them. And so this mock meat is the texture of my beefless Wellington. If you remember that video, go ahead and prepare your gluten-free mock meat base as well as your rice starch marbling liquid. You're going to arrange the three of those inside of a dish lined with plastic wrap followed by rice paper. Then go ahead and cover your mock meat with rice paper and wrap it tightly, very tightly and secure, making sure that you've essentially squeezed out nearly every air bubble. Store that overnight and your roast is ready to pan sear. Go ahead and pan sear it and transfer it into a baking dish. In my recipe, I did go ahead and add cabbage as well as this really delicious curry cooking liquid into the oven and out in about 45 minutes, and it is ready. Full recipe down below.